Welcome to Stark Vulcanizing Products in the Netherlands. We would like to introduce you to the instruction video for setting up the Stark Sectional Vulcanizing presses in a single platen arrangement. Position the bars on the setup template that is supplied with the press. Position the lower platen in place. You can use the lifting handles that come with the Stark presses. After positioning the platen, remove the handles. Prepare the splice on the bottom platen. Use silicone cloth or release paper to avoid the splice from sticking to the platens after the splice procedure. Use side iron or pieces of belt with equal thickness to fill up any gap on the sides. Position the top platen in place. Use the lifting handles for your convenience and do not forget to remove them before heating up the press. Make sure that the top platen is at the same position as the bottom platen and that the platen receptacles are on the same side. Remove the rubber dust cover from the top and lower platen and connect the platen cables. Close the latches to keep the cables in place. Install the water supply and drain hoses to the top and bottom platen. Install the pressure bag on top of the top platen. You can use the lifting handles that are integrated in the pressure bag. Place the nozzle of the bag on the opposite side of the platen cables. Install the bag plate on top of the pressure bag. Place the top bars and make sure they are aligned with the bars below. Connect the pressure bag hose to either the pressure gauge or fluid pressure pump. Install the bolts into the bars and tie the bolts by hand only. Install the restraining bars and put the safety pins on each side of the 4 bars. For safety purposes, insert the safety pins into each bar to prevent the bolts from sliding out. Pressurize the press to the required pressure as per the splice instruction of the belt manufacturer. Air compressor can be used for up to 100 psi or 7 bar. For higher pressure, use the Stark fluid pressure pump. We will demonstrate the standard Stark SF3 control panel. Temperature and pressure data logging options are also available in this control panel. Connect the control panel to the correct power supply. Lift the dust covers and insert the platen cables firmly into the receptacles. Secure the cable by clicking the latches. Open the cover of the circuit breaker and switch on the control panel. Lift the lid of the control panel and the controllers will display the current temperature of the platen. Set the temperature as per the specification of the splice procedure. Set the timer to the required splice time. Switch the control panel to automatic. The required temperature will be reached fully automatic, and this temperature will be maintained for the set vulcanization time. Once the vulcanization time is completed, an audio alarm will go off. Switch the control panel to 0 and start the water cooling process. As soon as the platen temperature indicates around 65 Celsius, the pressure can be released. The press can be dismantled. This concludes the setup for the Stark Sectional Vulcanizing presses. Please refer to the manual for more details or contact us for any additional information or visit our website starkvulcanizingproducts.com.